Assembly. Assembly is a noun, and it is the process of putting together parts or components to create a finished product or system. Some example sentences are in automotive, car engine assembly. In manufacturing, we might talk about electronic parts assembly, and in construction, prefabricated structure assembly. Let's look at some adjective and assembly collocations. So we use final, automated and precise. Some example sentences for this are: the vehicle undergoes a quality check during the final assembly stage. The factory uses robots for automated assembly to increase efficiency, and the precise assembly of components ensures the product works correctly. Let's look at some verb and assembly collocations. So the main ones here are perform, complete and require. Here's some sample sentences. Workers perform assembly of parts on the production line. You need special tools to complete assembly of this kit, and this furniture is delivered in parts and requires assembly. So let's look at assembly followed by a preposition and a noun collocations. So these are prepositions of and parts, and for production and on site. Here's some example sentences. The assembly of parts is done in sequence. The company designed an efficient system of assembly for production, and large structures like wind turbines are completed through assembly on site. So now let's look at assembly followed by noun collocations. So we've got line, process and station. Sample sentences: the assembly line produces 500 units per day. The assembly process has been optimized to minimize waste, and each assembly station is equipped with ergonomic tools. So that was assembly and collocations, and now is the choice for you to decide what you want to learn next. Choose from the options.